Do you know anyone, perhaps a friend or family, or maybe even yourself, who has had a heart attack? Do you know that every 40 seconds, a heart attack occurs in the US alone? A lot of things can be done to prevent such disease. For instance, you can quit smoking, exercise daily, whether it's in the morning or later after work, schedule an annual checkup, or even take steps to reduce the level of your stress in your life. All of these things can have a positive effect on heart health and can be easily done if you have the willpower and time to do it. But one of the simplest and most important lifestyle changes yet very few people notice is watching what you eat. Because after all, you are what you eat, right folks? So you must be wondering what is the type of foods that can help you to keep your heart healthy. Don't you worry folks, we got you covered. Welcome to the Healthy Universe, and here are 8 amazing heart healthy foods to ensure your heart is free of diseases. Number 1. Green veggies. You know what mom used to say? Eat your veggies, kids. Now we can all agree that we hate eating green veggies when we were kids. Green veggies such as spinach, kale, collards, arugula, and even broccoli has been proven to give an extra boost to your heart. These green healthy but often avoided veggies contains an abundant amount of vitamin K, which act as antioxidants and free your body of potentially harmful compounds. The best way to enjoy your green veggies is by combining raw and cooked green veggies for your optimum heart boosting nutrition. Number 2 is avocados. I'm sure that a lot of you folks must love guacamole so much. Put it next to a taco and enjoy your Mexican getaway food. So what does guacamole has to do with avocado? Well, it's kinda the main ingredients of guacamole, which make it incredible. Believe it or not, avocados also have a great benefits when it comes to making your heart super healthy. Because these little softy and tasty fruits contains even more amounts of potassium than your average banana. Hope you don't go bananas for avocado after these facts. Sorry. Avocados actually contains 33% of the daily potassium intake. Why potassium? Because potassium increases nitric oxide release, lowering blood pressure and improving the function of your arteries, which is kind of important for your heart. Even more, it also contains a high amount of monounsaturated fat that may lower heart disease risk factors such as cholesterol. You can eat them straight away or pair them with heart-promoting tomatoes to make an awesome heart-boosting guacamole. Number 3 is dark chocolate. Who says you can't eat chocolate when you are on a diet? Well, those people who have made you believe that eating chocolate is forbidden during a diet is going to be myth-busted by the recent studies that shows dark chocolate may help you lower your risk of heart disease. These studies shows that chocolate possesses a great amount of flavonoids called polyphenols, which may help blood pressure, clotting, and inflammation to boost up and free your heart from any vital disease. And no, don't think that milk chocolate and candy bars is also going to help you and your heart, because they might do the opposite of keeping your heart healthy. Number 4. Green tea. Nowadays, we have seen a lot of green tea based foods, snacks, and drink. Stuff like green tea chocolate, milk green tea cake, green tea sauce, green tea ice cream, the list goes on and on and on. But what I mean by green tea on this list is real warm, soothing green tea. Green tea is brimming with polyphenols and catechins, which can act as antioxidants to prevent cell damage, reduce inflammation, and protect the health of your heart. Enjoy a sip of green tea in the afternoon with your friends or family. Besides improving and maintaining your heart health, you can also relieve stress by hanging out with your loved ones, which also has been proven to be the key factor of lowering heart disease. Number 5 is coffee. Just like our previous video of 10 proven health benefits of coffee, coffee has been proven to have a lot of positive impact on our health. Recent studies have shown that even 2 cups a day could lower the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke by 30%. So what we suggest is, if you love coffee and already enjoying it every day, then continue. But if you're not, you can always seek other heart-healthy foods on our list. Number 6. Tomatoes. These red, juicy veggies is always known to have a lot of health benefits to our body. For instance, tomatoes consist a healthy amount of potassium, which is good when it comes to maintaining and improving heart health. And it's also packed with great amount of lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant that may help get rid of bad cholesterol, keep blood vessels open, and lower heart attack risk. Enjoy your tomatoes raw with a salad, or combine it with the heart-boosting food avocado to make a great guacamole. Number 7. Potatoes. Potatoes are hands down the popular food worldwide. Everybody knows potatoes, and everybody must have eaten potatoes, and probably most of it were deep fried. However, we are not going to suggest you to munch and stuff your mouth with french fries on this list. But instead, not to deep fry them can actually help you lower your risk of heart disease. Potatoes are high in potassium, which can lower your heart pressure, and fiber, which is always great in lowering your risk of heart disease. You can stew or boil them and make mashed potatoes, or combine them with your salad to maximize the nutrition for lower risk of heart disease. Number 8. Edamame. Edamame is often found in Asian cuisine. These little green, crunchy, and delicious immature soybeans contains a good amount of isoflavones, a type of flavonoid that may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Boil your edamame and eat it when it's still warm, every afternoon or late night as a snack. So the bottom line is, your heart is one of the most vital organ on your body, and in a lot of cases, heart disease is the one awful cause of losing your loved ones. Heart attack can occur at any time and any place, which can be fatal for the person who suffers it. So start caring and start changing your lifestyle from the simplest form, which is the food that you eat. Start eating foods that are high in antioxidant, potassium, and fiber, because you might have just saved your loved ones from the fatal heart disease. Let the food be the medicine. I hope you found this video helping, folks. Got any health question? Just ask in the comment section below. So smack that like button and make sure you subscribe to the Healthy Universe for weekly tips and tricks.